Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-up tutorial. This video is on how to make a command or chopper reward with the random outcomes. That is outcomes where you can set the weight of each outcome. So an example of that is let me turn off my cooldown so I can demonstrate it. But I have a command called cookie. And the way this works is there's a 3% chance that you get a very long alert from Cookie Monster. I've got the cooldown set to 10 minutes. I'm set to 0 seconds per second, just for testing purposes. Okay, so if you type in cookie, like anywhere, it can be at the beginning of a sentence, it could be like, do you have a cookie? Okay. Yeah, so if you have a cookie anywhere, like in a word or something, or a sentence rather, it's doing a check to see what percentage you got and or what numbers you got. So if you got between like 1 and 3, then that is a successful cookie chance. If you get higher than that, you don't get the cookie. You don't get the alert for the cookie. So I'll keep doing it till we get it.
2,000 years later.
Cowabunga! Cookie! Cookie!
Okay, so that's the idea. They can use this command, and if they get the right numbers, in this case 1 to 3, which I should actually make 97 to 100, so it like matches up with where it says 97% or higher needed, they'll get that alert. So people really enjoy it. It's a really simple command. It's fun, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make a command with like weighted outcomes, weighted random outcomes. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up Gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, so we're gonna check what version we're on. What version we're on right now is 1.3.0.5. We're gonna go to the menu in the top left. We're gonna go to commands. I'm gonna go to my cookie command. For this command in particular, I'm not using the auto include exclamation point. I've set it to wildcard. That means if it finds cookies are -22 cookie, which is one of my emotes, then it'll trigger this command. I'm gonna set this cooldown back to 600 because I don't want them to spam this. It's not set to have any particular user permissions. It could be just user in general. At the very top, I have a special identifier. So go to the drop down, click on it, go to special identifier, add it. I'm calling this cookie chance. As a special identifier, I'm calling it cookie chance. Make it globally usable, make it a math expression. For the value, I'm setting it to $random number 100. And what that means is it's gonna give you a random number between 1 and 100. If you said random number 1,000, it'll give you a random number between 1 and 1,000. If you put random number 69, it'll give you a random number between 1 and 69. So that's basically how the $random number works. So after we've made that special identifier, I have 2 conditionals. You could have more if you want, but in my case, I just have 2. The first one is checking if the cookie chance, $cookie chance, is greater than 1, greater than equal to 1, and is less than equal to 3. So I've added a second clause here. I'm going to change it. I'm actually going to make it so that it's greater than equal to 97 and less than equal to 100. Okay. And if it is, then what's going to happen is we'll have this chat message inside the conditionals. Go to the drop down in the conditional chat message, add it. And I'm putting like Cowabunga, cookie number, $sign cookie chance, and actually I'm going to add a percentage sign after that to be clear that they got 97% or higher. Okay, and then this sound will play right after that. Okay, now I have a second conditional. Add it. First one's called cookie. Second one is called no cookie. And for this one, it's going to be less than 97. Okay. So if $sign cookie chance is less than 97, they get this message. A message saying cookie number is $sign cookie chance percent. It's going to be less than 97%. It'll say 97% or higher needed, failed to acquire cookie. And they don't get a sound. They just get a message. And yeah, that is how you set up conditionals to run with different weights. If you want to adjust the weights, I could say like I could make this like greater than equal to 50, less equal to 100, and the one below can be greater than 50. And yeah, if you want to add more possibilities, just adjust the greater and equal than of each conditional. So if I wanted to add another possibility, I could like hit duplicate here. I could make this like greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 30. And something else could happen if this happens. But keep in mind that if I don't adjust this one, if I don't adjust, sorry, we'll just call this another possibility. If I add this other possibility here, but I don't adjust this, then that means whenever this one, the no cookie, falls below 30 and above 1, then these will both happen because they have overlapping like numbers. So then they'll have overlapping like actions that occur. So just when you make another possibility, just be aware that if the numbers you're looking for each possibility overlap, then there are some times where you will have overlapping actions. But yeah, that is basically how you set up a command with weighted random possibilities. If you make it a command, you could add that command to a Twitch channel reward, and that is how you can make that command a Twitch channel reward. But yeah, just make sure you're making Twitch channel rewards through Mixitup and not through Twitch. And that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments, and also like the video and subscribe for more videos like these. If you want to talk to me about Twitch, Mixitup Gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/MiniatureGold. And thank you for watching. All right, adios.